For my next video, I'd like to do one on the feature called text calling. And this has been around for several years, since OneUI 6, I believe. And we're currently on brand new with the S25 Ultra. We're on OneUI 8. But it's gotten better over the years as AI was introduced. It's become more and more powerful to the point where it is now, and I wanted to go over the video on how to set it, how to use it, and take full advantage of this feature that's really an awesome thing. So let's just dive right in, as I'd say. So we'll go into settings first. I'll go over that, and then I'll show you how to actually use it, actual in use. So go to your phone app first, and then the three dots, and go to settings, and then text call, the first one. So you want to turn it on, obviously, and I'll read this and we'll go into some depth on it. Answer calls without saying a word. A voice assistant will ask the caller why they're calling. You'll see what they say in a text chat. Then you can type or tap responses that will be read aloud to the caller. So instead of a spam caller or somebody that's calling you and you don't know who they are, or somebody that could be texting you with one little word and not taking up your whole day asking a bunch of questions only to get the one real response. In other words, for people that really don't like talking on the phone, like yours truly, I always tell people, text me, don't call me, because of the different businesses that I run. It's just very, very fast for me to receive a text instead of somebody talking on the phone and BSing for minutes or hours on end. So anyway, get off of that topic. So let's just go right through these settings. So language, we want obviously United States or wherever you're at. Next one is you can actually set your own voice to sound like you've actually picked the call up. So we're going to go over, there's voice one.
This is what it sounds like when you use text call.
And I don't know if we can hear it since I'm...
This is what it sounds like when you use text call.
So anyway, one's a female's voice, one's a male's voice, and then you can do your own voice.
This is what it sounds like.
And as you can do this, you do a custom voice, and it asks you 10 different sentences, and then it ends up using your voice, and it sounds pretty darn close to your own voice. So I might just keep my own voice on there. I wish we could hear them, but we can't because I'm recording. So, and then you can also speech rate. You can go slower or faster with it, and I just keep it set to default. So there's voice. Quick responses, that's when somebody calls you and you just want to make a response real quickly. So to me, the two most important ones are, please text me back and I will respond to you immediately. That's kind of important. And then the universal, who is this? Who is this, please? And if you want any other quick responses, you can just keep adding them. Okay. Play other person's voice. I had that set to on. So hear what the other person is saying during the text call, in addition to showing it on the screen. So you'll be able to see and hear what they're saying on the other line. And it is very accurate, by the way. It says voice transcription might not be accurate. It's very accurate. Okay, and so that's text call. Let's actually go through now how it's used. Okay, so I'm going to let this go ahead and play. And as you see, text call, let me back it up. It went pretty fast there. Okay, so you want to tap on text call or call assist. The text call shows the caller says and responds to your typing. Tap on that.
Hi.
And
I'm
then it'll
using
say
a
this.
voice assistant
Hi, I'm
to
using a
convert
voice
your voice
assistant
to text and respond
text.
to you.
and
If you
respond
want
to
to
you. If you want to continue, please tell me why you're calling. Then the other person now,
Just wanted
you
to
can
say
see they're
hi.
typing, just wanted to say hi. Then I can then tap,
please text me
back,
and I will
or whatever I
respond to
want
you
to say.
immediately.
So the fast ones are there, please text me back. And that's it. That's the way the phone call works. And if you want to pick up the phone and actually talk, you can do that as well. But it's like having a call screening voicemail all wrapped into one, and text application. So again, it's really, really a neat feature that I have actually had it off, and I'm going to start using it all the time, just simply because of, like I said, all the people that call me all the time that want to talk and I don't. So anyway, I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time. And until next time, I'm out.